Ladies and gents, welcome back to The Random. It's your host, SmallwoodWorldWide. We're back today with a quick video. So, Spigen released their annual iMac inspired cases here for the iPhone. For me, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, of course made out of aerospace grade titanium, and what better way to protect it than with a Spigen case. Let's get into this quick unboxing. So, if you're like me, iMacs were very colorful, as you can see, very gorgeous, came in a variety of colors, and for me, this one just reminds me of the one I kind of grew up with and saw. I love that the unboxing is real easy to get through. And look at that. This is gorgeous if you can see it. And guess what? As you can see, MagSafe compatible. Look at that inside. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Doesn't appear that it's modular and comes apart. Actually, I lied, it does. Let's take a look here. As you can see, you get this bottom piece that comes off, and this actually will slide out. Let's just go ahead and take a look at that. Looks pretty good. Once again, the Spigen case. I see lip protection in there. I love the ability to protect things, and more importantly, this is a beautiful design. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again sooner than you think on a new edition of The Random. Peace.